Hi, I'm Matt McCoy. Look, I know car insurance can be confusing. To make it easier to understand, let's break down how personal auto policy coverages work. We'll start with liability. Liability coverage helps pay for damages to the other people and their property in the accident when you're at fault. It's required by law in most states and has two parts: bodily injury and property damage. Bodily injury liability pays the medical expenses of other people injured in an accident in which you're at fault, while property damage liability pays for damages to their vehicle or other property. What's important to remember is liability coverage pays only for damages to other people and their property. So, how do you pay for your injuries or damage to your vehicle? First, there's medical payments coverage. This helps pay medical bills for you and your family members or other passengers injured in your car. It applies regardless of who is at fault in an accident. There's also uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage pays for injuries to you and your passengers if you're hit by a person who is at fault but has no insurance, or not enough insurance to cover your losses. Coverage applies whether you're in a vehicle or a pedestrian. In some states, you can also get uninsured, underinsured motorist property damage coverage to pay for damages to your vehicle. Now, let's talk about the coverages that specifically pay for damages to your vehicle. There are two types: collision and comprehensive. Collision coverage applies when your car crashes into another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage applies when damage to your car is the result of other events. For example, theft, vandalism, fire, hail, flood, or even contact with an animal. Other optional coverages can provide even more complete protection, like towing and labor coverage. It pays the cost to tow your car if it's not drivable, even if it's not related to an accident. Transportation expense coverage, sometimes called rental reimbursement coverage. This pays the cost of a rental car while your car is in the shop for repairs due to a covered loss. And glass coverage pays to repair or replace your windshield or other damaged glass on your car. So now that you know the basics, contact the Hartford to learn more about auto insurance coverage. They'll help you determine the car insurance that's right for you.